Greetings from sunny Thailand. Today is April 1st, 2020. We present to you another video report on the construction of our 11th project, Siam Oriental Condos. Let's go together and see what stage our project is at. At the moment, entrance and interior doors have already been installed in all apartments. Laminate flooring has been completed in all apartments. Kitchens and cabinets have been installed up to and including the 7th floor. The installation of balcony railings is ongoing on the 5th floor. Remove the developer, outline, battles, sound cold, I swear. The installation of external lighting is ongoing, and currently 50% of the work on outdoor lighting installation has been completed. For those buyers who have purchased apartments from us in our 12th project, we also have good news. Starting from next month, we will begin publishing video reports from our 12th project, Siam El Erber Aces. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our projects, feel free to contact us through any messenger convenient for you.